Good morning, friends. Are you guys ready to sing hello? Okay, ready? Hello, cha cha cha. Hello, cha cha cha. Hello, and how are you? Cha cha cha. I'm fine, cha cha cha. I'm fine, cha cha cha. And I hope that you are too, cha cha cha. Okay, let's start by doing our calendar because remember we got a brand new month yesterday. So, who remembers the name of that month? What month is it right now? Begins with an A. Good, it's April. Can we say that together? Ready? April. April. Good. We're in the month of April. We're in the month of April. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. We're in the month of April. We're in the month of April. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Very good, guys. It is April. Let's count how many days we have so far in April. Not too many, right? We have 1, 2. That was a lot of counting. Today is April 2nd. Very good. Okay, so let's figure out what day of the week it is. So yesterday was Wednesday. Yesterday was Wednesday. Now let's figure out what today is. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. What? What day comes after Wednesday? Good, Thursday. Could we say Thursday? Ready? Thursday. Today is Thursday. Now let's figure out what tomorrow will be. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What? What day comes after Thursday? Good, Friday. Could we say Friday? Ready? Friday. So tomorrow will be Friday. Now, who could tell me the name of our year? Because that has not changed. It's not going to change for a really long time. What year is it, guys? Good. It's 2020. Can we say that together? Ready? 2020. It is 2020. And what season are we in? Good. We are in spring. Can we say spring? Ready? Spring. It is the season of spring right now. Awesome job. So let's go over all of the stuff we've been learning because we've learned quite a bit. So let's start with our letter of the week. What letter is this, guys? What letter is this? It's the letter E. Can we say E? Ready? E. And what sound does the letter E make? E says ah, ah. Can we say that together? Ready? Ah, ah. Like ah, ah. Egg. Can we say ah, ah, egg? Ready? Ah, ah, egg. Very good. Let's go over our sight word now. Our sight word was S-T-O-P. What does S-T-O-P spell? It's like our song, right? S-T-O-P says what we should do, which is what? It says stop, right? S-T-O-P spells stop. Like make sure you stop at the stop sign. Very good, guys. Awesome. So this says stop. Now we're going to go over our word family that we're learning, and I'll teach you another new word to add to our list. So remember, we were learning about the at family, which is A-T, right? Remember, A-T spells at. Can we say at? At. So now we're going to use the at ending to make new words. So let's start with our first letter. Our first letter is the letter C. What sound does C make? C says ka, ka. Right? Can we say that together? Ready? Ka, ka. Now we're going to add at. So we have ka, at, ka, at, ka, at, ka, at. What do we hear? It says cat. Like meow. Can we say cat? Ready? Cat. Now we're going to change this to an H. Ooh, that's a terrible looking H. Sorry, guys. I'm going to make this an H. What sound does H make? What sound does H make? H says ha, ha. right? Can we say that together? Ready? Now we're going to add at. So we have at, at, at. What word is that? It's hat, right? Oh, look, we have cat in the hat. Right? So what else can we make? Well, our other one that we learned, use the letter S. What sound does S make? SS, right? Remember it looks like a snake? It sounds like a snake too. So we have S. Now we're going to add at. So S, at, S, at, S, at. What do we hear? It's sat, right? Like we sat down on the chair. Can we say sat, sat? Now I'm going to teach you another one because there's a lot in this word family. So we're going to learn some new ones now that you guys have got it down. We're going to do the letter M. What sound does M make? M, right, says like that's delicious. We have right, we're going to press our lips together. And now we're going to add at. So at, at. What word do we hear? Mat, right? A mat is like a little rug, okay? You might have one outside your front door. We call it like a doormat, right? You can wipe your feet on it. Or we can even put a placemat on our table, right? We put our food on top of, or in our case, we use them when we do art projects, right? We have like the Anna and Elsa and the Paw Patrol ones, right? We use the placemats on the table so we don't write all over the table when we do arts and crafts at school. That's a mat, okay? Could we say mat, mat? So again, all of our words are going to rhyme, right? Because remember, rhyming means they have the same ending sound. So can you guys repeat after me? Ready? We have at, cat, cat, hat, hat, sat, sat, mat, mat. Very good job. Good job, guys. Okay. Let's go over our numbers we've been learning. So who could tell me what number is a 1 and a... I realized we didn't go all the way back there, so we're going to go all the way back. What number is a 1 and a 0? What number is a 1 and a 0? Good, it's 10. Could we say 10? 10. Now I'm going to change this to a 2. Hold on, friends. I need to plug my laptop in, or we're not going to make very much more of this video. Hold on. Okay, I plugged it in. Because remember, our laptop needs batteries, and ours is running out of batteries, so we're going to have much longer of this video. Okay, I don't remember what number we ended off on, but this is what we're going to start with next. Okay, what number is a 1 and a 2, guys? What number is a 1 and a 2? It's 12. Good. Could we say 12? Ready? 12. Good. Now I'm going to change this to a 1. What number is a 1 and a 1? Good. It's 11. Can we say 11? Ready? 11. Good. Now I'm going to change this to a 4. What number is this? Good. It's 14. Can we say 14? Ready? 14. Good. And I'm going to change this to a 3. Now what number's a 1 and a 3? It's 13. Good. Can we say 13? Ready? 13. Very good. Now we're going to do our new numbers of the month, which both start with 1, right? Because all of our numbers that we're learning about now are 2 digits. This means there's 2 numbers, and they're all going to start with 1. So what number is a 1 and a 5? Does anyone know what number a 1 and a 5 is? Good. It's 15. Could we say 15? Ready? 15. And now I'm going to add to this one. I'm going to make it a 1 and a 6. What number is a 1 and a 6? Good. It's 16. Could we say 16? Ready? 16. So one more time. 15, 15, 16, 16. Good job, guys. Awesome. Okay, now let's go over our shape and color of the month. So, what shape is this? Oh my gosh. What color is this? My goodness. What color is this, guys? Good, it's yellow. Can we say yellow? Ready? Yellow. Good, this is our color, yellow. And like I said, we're going to probably see some yellow flowers growing soon. Can we say yellow? Yellow. Good, and now for real this time, our shape of the month. What shape is this? Good, it's an oval. Can we say oval? Ready? Oval. And how do we know that this is an oval? What kind of sides does it have? Good, an oval has curved sides, right? These sides are curved. Can we say curved sides? Ready? Curved sides. Now, do you guys remember what makes an oval different from a circle? They both have curved sides. Good, an oval is not round, right? Circles are round. An oval, while it has curved sides, is not round. Like I said, this would make a terrible ball. Ball's around. If I tried to bounce this, it wouldn't work very well. It would be just flat. So it doesn't work very well. But an oval has curved sides. Like I said, it almost looks like someone took a circle and went and squished it. So that's kind of how we got this guy. Summertime, can we say oval? Ready? Oval. Very good. So I'm going to have everyone stand up. We're going to do our Blastoff game. So ready? Let's count down slowly from 10 to 1. Ready? And we're going to sit down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready? Up! Blastoff! Good job. One more time. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blastoff! Good job, guys. You guys are really good at counting backwards. So, we're going to continue talking about water. Tomorrow is actually our last day of our water unit, if you can believe it or not. We're going to start learning about something brand new next week. But we got to review what we've learned so far. So, can you guys tell me a way that we use water? Good. So remember, people use water for a lot of different things. We can drink water. We can clean ourselves with water, right? Like the bath and the shower, or our clothes go in the washing machine, our dishes go in the dishwasher, right? We could also have fun in water, right? Like we can swim in water, we can go to a water park, right? So there's a lot we could do with water. Animals use water too, right? We said some animals live in water, like fish and dolphins. And if you guys saw yesterday, I sent you a little sorting worksheet where you could sort animals that live in water and animals that do not live in water. And today I'm going to attach two read alouds. One's the rainbow fish, which we sort of did yesterday during our Zoom meeting, and another book called Swimmy. Okay, and you guys are going to get to see some more stories about animals that live in water there. So animals live in water, and some of them also drink water, right? Like we saw Destiny the other day was drinking water. And our plants use water too, right? I actually have our classroom plants that are usually in the window at home right now in my dining room. And this morning I put water in them. So why do I need to put water in our plants? Right, our plants need water in order to make food and to grow. So that's actually the reason I took them home, because we're not in school right now. Nobody was watering on our plants and I didn't want them to get sick. So I actually took them home with me from baby steps and put them in my dining room. So that way I can continue to water them and make sure they're nice and healthy for when we go back to school. So that's why water is so important for plants, because without it, it would get sick so much that I actually took them home with me. So we're going to read another book about water, and it's called All the Water in the World. We can already see on the cover here we have a fish, right? And fish live in water. Oops. All the water in the world. Is all the water in the world. Now, remember, this is a picture of our Earth, right? All the blue stuff shows the ocean, right? We have lots and lots of water on our planet. Water flows from the hose. So here's our garden hose, and out comes the water. Is there something you guys can think of that we could do with a garden hose? What's something you can think of? Yeah, I was thinking we could water plants with it. We could like wash a car, right? There's a lot we could do with a garden hose. Water wobbles in blue pools. So look, our little bird friend is drinking the water, because birds need to drink water. It fills your cup up. So now we could drink water too. And did you guys hear any rhyming words on that page? Listen one more time. It fills your cup up. Do you hear that rhymes? Good. Cup up. Right? They both rhyme because they have the same ending sound. But where does water come from? What are these things? What do they do? Right, these are the pipes and they bring water to our house. Water doesn't come, it goes around. What do they mean, friends, when water goes around and around and around? You tell me, because I know you know this. Yeah, the water cycle, right? Water goes around and around in the water cycle. That rain that cascaded from the clouds and meandered down mountains, wavered over waterfalls, slipped into rivers, opened into oceans, that rain has been here before. Thirsty air licks it from the ponds, sips it from lakes, and guzzles it from the ocean. And the water swirls up. So what do we call that, friends? When the water heats up and then the liquid water heats up and then it rises up, 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 up as a gas, as evaporation, right? Here the water's being evaporated. Oh, gonna flip the book over. Till it's crowded into clouds, right? We call that condensation. Where it hangs hotly around till cool air bumps through. And honey, these clouds just let it go. And it rains. Look, here's all the people with their umbrellas as the rain comes down as precipitation. It's a tap dance, avalanche, stampede of drips and drops and drumming, a wealth of water. But far away, it's a different day. There's no sound but wind. An empty cup again. Dry grass rustles. The dirt is just dust. Where is this place that it's hot and dry and there's not a lot of rain? Where is this place? Good, it's the desert, right? There's not a lot of rain there. Everything waits for an open gate in a wall of clouds for sweet rain and loud to fill the well and start the stream. So these animals are thirsty and they're waiting for it to rain. Honey, living things dream of water for all of us to drink, to use in the tub or a sink, to wash in and to splash in, right? We can use water for all those things. This wet wonder means life will grow and flow through tigers and through trees, right? Because both tigers and trees need the water. And if you guys look here, I kind of hid a picture of a tiger among the trees. Do you guys see it? Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Water flows through you and flows through me, right? We have water all in our bodies. All in all, together now, all is precious, so do not waste it. It's delicious, we could taste it. Keep it clear and keep it clean. We need to keep our earth green. So what that means is we want to keep our water clean. Why do we want to keep the water clean, friends? Yeah, right. You don't want to throw yucky stuff in it because it'll make the plants and animals that live in the water sick. And then also when we go to drink the water, guess what? We'll get sick too. So we want to make sure we keep our water clean. The end. Okay, I actually changed my mind. I'm going to do one more read aloud today. Originally, I was going to send this to you guys as a read aloud story on our YouTube thing. But I realized we only had one math thing to do today, so I have a couple more minutes. So I'd like to read you this book myself. It is a book called Swimmy by Leo Leone. And we can see here that the book has an award on it. It has the Caldecott Honor Award. And remember we said when we see one of these stickers, we know this is going to be a good book. So this book is about a fish named Swimmy. So why do you think I picked a book about fish for today? Right, because fish live in the ocean, okay? So they're an animal that lives in water. So this will be a nice, fun read aloud story to finish up the day. This book's a little tiny, so I might have to bring it a little closer. A happy school of little fish lived in the corner of the sea somewhere. Believe it or not, guys, we actually call a group of fish a school. Isn't that silly? They were all red. Only one of them was black as a mussel shell. He swam faster than his brothers and sisters. His name was Swimmy. One day, a bad tuna fish, swift, fierce, and very hungry, came darting through the waves. In one gulp, he swallowed all the redfish, and only Swimmy escaped. Uh-oh, poor fishies. Wonder what they're gonna do. Swimmy swam away into the deep, wet world. He wandered lonely and very sad. He misses all his friends. But the sea was full of wonderful creatures, and as he swam from marvel to marvel, Swimmy was happy again. He saw a Medusa made of rainbow jelly. So if you guys look here, look at this beautiful jellyfish. This is another animal that lives in the water. It's a jellyfish. He saw a lobster who walked around like a water-moving machine. So here is a lobster. He saw a strange fish moving as if pulled by an invisible thread. He saw a forest of seaweed growing from rocks. So look at all this seaweed. Wow. I know some of my friends like to eat seaweed, right? Some of you guys have brought it for snack before. So where do you think it comes from? Well, there's a reason they call it seaweed, right? It comes from the sea. So seaweed actually grows underwater. It's a plant we can find in the water. He saw an eel whose tail was almost too far away to remember. He saw sea anemones who looked like pink palm trees swaying in the wind. Now, I don't know if you guys remember, but Nemo's family lived in an anemone. Remember, he kept going, anemone, right? So Nemo's family lived in an anemone. Then, hidden in the dark shade of the rocks and weeds, he saw a school of little fish, just like his own. Let's go and swim and play and see things, they said happily. We can't, said the little red fish. The big fish will eat us. But you can't just stay there, said Swimmy. We must think of something. So they don't want to go play because they're scared. I wonder what they can do. Swimmy thought and thought and thought. Then suddenly he said, I have it. We're all going to swim together like the biggest fish in the sea. So they're going to try to work together. Let's see what happens. He taught them to swim close together, each in his own place. So what do they look like when they're all swimming together? What shape does this look like they're making? And they had learned to swim like one giant fish. Swimmy said, I'll be the eye. So look, they're shaped like a giant fish and they're all working together. And Swimmy is going to pretend to be the fish's eye. Why do you think they're swimming together shaped like a fish? What do you think they're trying to do? Let's see. And so they swam in the cool morning water and the midday sun, and they chased the big fish away. So they scared him away. They thought they were a giant fish now too. The end. So that is it for today. And again, for real this time, I'm going to be sending a link to a read aloud of the rainbow fish that Ernest Borgnine reads. And I really, really like that. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye.